Now going in with a little bit of loose setting powder and a powder puff, I like to just press this under my eye and make sure you're looking up when you are doing this part, and also make sure you're blending out your under eye before you even put that pressed powder down, because you don't want to set it in the creases or in the fine lines. And y'all, there is a whole discussion about loose powder first or setting powder first, but y'all see what I did. So now we're gonna go in with the pressed powder, and I'm using a different brush just to blend that on top and kind of get rid of a little bit of that powder. Before I even blended it out, I went in with the pressed powder. Going in with this same palette that we used from earlier, our Black Radiance palette, I'm going in with a smaller brush just to be very intentional about where I'm putting my bronzer, and I'm just chiseling out my whole entire forehead. Y'all, I feel like I got so much room on my forehead, so it really be taking me a little minute to blend this part out, but hey, okay? Yeah. God made me exactly how I'm supposed to be. Thank you. So blending this out everywhere. I also like to go along my cheekbones, around my chin. I carve out like my neck, under my everywhere. Like I literally am obsessed with bronzing. I feel like just this really just completes the look for me, for real. Like if I could be a bronzer, I would. I'm using the same brush and taking it along my nose and also pushing the bronzer into my eyebrows as well. And I'm just also diffusing that harsh line from any of the powder that I use. Now, I love this, the MAC Studio Fix Plus. This is gonna marry all of those products together and just make it look so pretty and seamless. So there really is no harsh lines. Everything is just like working together essentially, because you don't want it to be like, okay, clearly that's where her blush starts and stops. That's where her bronzer starts and stops. This product really does that for me. So I love to take it with a big fluffy brush.